question number 5, boys. We will do question number 6. Write the question, underline the statement, write CW on every page. Our first sum is 200 more than 125,000. We have to add 200 in this. More than means to add. So let's write our solution. I will write SOL. First the biggest digit, 125,000. Okay, and here you can see I have written it with spacing. Now 200. Can I write 2 from here? No, our rule is we have to start from right hand side. So 0, 0 and 2. Now we will give addition sign and then we will add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus nothing is 5, 2 as it is, 1 as it is. Now write it in international place value. Okay, because these are 6 digit, so 3 digit and space and then 3 digit. Okay, it is 125,200. Let's move toward our next sum, that is 1,000 more than 200,000. So boys, follow the steps that I followed in this sum and solve this one by yourself. After doing part B, let's move toward part C, that is 900 more than 460,100. Okay, let's write 460,100. Okay, this is that number and we have to write 900, so 0, 0, 9. Always remember we have to start writing from the right hand side, not from here. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, this is 6, this is 4. Now you can read it, 461,000. So let's write it 0, 0, 0 space 164. Okay, our next sum is boys 400 more than 509,000, 509,600. So boys, as I have done this sum, I am leaving this sum on you because now we are grown up. If I'll solve everything, how will you learn? How will you take the concept? So this is for you to solve so that I can check that if you can solve it, it means you have understood the concept, how to write, how to add, how to give borrow, how to write the answer in international form. Okay? And as we have done addition, now we will move toward the subtraction. And we all know subtraction means to subtract, to take away, to minus. And if you are giving someone 100 rupees and you take 30 from him, how much is left? Then you will tell teacher 70 is left, and like this. Subtraction means we have to subtract, and in subtraction there is always a rule, we have to write the bigger value on the first line and smaller in the second line. Okay, we cannot write the smaller value above and bigger below. Okay, so let's start our solution. I'm doing part E and I will leave first 4 parts on you for homework. Okay, let's write the digit. This is the first digit, that is 750,000. Okay, minus 125,255. So let's start writing 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 7. Okay, that's the number. And from the right hand side, 5, 5, 2. Now this 5, this 2 and this 1. What is the sign? That is of subtraction. Okay, now boys, what I am going to do, the borrows I will take, I will write it with red pen. Okay, so here you can see it is 5 and I cannot subtract 5 from 0. So this 0 cannot borrow, this cannot borrow, this cannot borrow. 5 Yes, it can borrow. So it will be now 4. I have told you I am writing it with red and it have given it 1. So now it is 10. But in the second rule we know we have to subtract from the right hand side. So we have to subtract this. We cannot subtract this. What we will do, we will ask this to borrow 1 to this. Okay. Now this 10 when it give 1 to it will become 9. I cannot subtract from here. I have to subtract this first. So this will give 1 to this and it will become 9. But again, I cannot subtract this. I want to subtract this. And this is the rule. So this 10 will give 1 to it and it will become 9. Now you can see the borrows, all the borrows, boys. So now I can start my subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And when I subtract 2 from 9, it is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2, yes, it can happen. It is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So now I can write my answer in international form. 5, 4, 7, space, 4, 2, 6. This is my answer. So in classwork, boys, we have to do question number 5 and 6 full, plus we have also done question number 8 part E of page number 10 on copy. Yes, this all work is on copy. And your homework is do question number 8 full of page number 10 on copy. Okay. So boys, if you have any difficulty in any sum that we have done today, you can ask me in the comments below.